Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds within the Headball 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Headball 2 game within your device, and if you are playing for the first time, you will be required to go through the basic tutorial levels. Once you complete these tutorial levels, you will gain access to the home page, from which if you wish to turn off the game sounds, then tap on the drop down button at the top right corner and then tap on the gear icon. Now from the gear icon, you will see the sound option. Go ahead and tap on this button, and now you can simply turn off the game sound as well as the music by tapping on the toggle button. Once you turn these buttons off, you will not hear any sounds from within the game anymore, and you can go back to this setting at any time and turn back the sound if you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds within the Headball 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.